What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, I want to show you how to look for gems. The truth is, I didn't want to record this video because it's my own personal research process, but I just wanted to show you how research is being done. So that's why you see that I titled it "A Day in the Life of a Crypto Trader Looking for Gems" because it's my own personal research project. I need some money to handle some personal projects, so I'm looking for how to get it from the market because the market is like a bank. So you can literally take from the market if you know what you're doing. So the strategy is fairly simple. All we have to do is to look for a meme coin that has sourced in the past, and then we then analyze the wallets of the people who got it early, the early buyers, and then we then check for the tokens that they are currently buying. What we're looking for, we're looking for confluence. We want to see a particular token being bought by early buyers of a token that has surged in the past. So that is the strategy. So a, we're looking at a token that is being accumulated by people who have been known to be smart money. So how do you do that? So first thing first, we'll look for a token that has surged in the past, and one of them is the Church of the Smoking Fish, and the token symbol is SCF. So we type SCF. You see SCF, so liquidity is $1.62 million. The last 24 hours volume is 2.54. So we click on that, we open it. So if you look at this particular token, it sourced, it made a lot of people very rich, believe me. So it's really surged, as in it started trading here July 21st. Then from here it went up to this point. It made a lot of people a lot of money. So what we then look for is that we then click on the top traders. So we look at the people who made the most money from this particular smoking fish meme coin. So, and what we then do, we then analyze their wallets to see what they are currently buying. So this is the total profit that was made. So this includes the one they've sold and the one that is still left in their wallet. So it's called the total, which is profit and loss plus unrealized. That's if there's still tokens they have left they haven't sold. So all of them is added together. So the value of that is also added to the one they've sold, and at the end of the day, that's what gives you this amount. So this person made about $1.96 million from this particular meme coin. You see, that's a lot of money. So what we do is that we then click on the wallet address, then you see this Solana symbol, you click on it, it takes you to Solscan. Solscan is where you can analyze a Solana wallet and look at the tokens inside of it. So what we'll then do is when we get to this wallet, we'll check, does this person have any token balance? Yes, has about 18 tokens worth about 410,000 dollars. So what we then do is that we click on this place called portfolio, then you will see what the person is holding. So the person is holding obviously smoking fish. Which other token are they holding again? Majorly it's only um the smoking fish that they are holding. So this there's no much information here. So we go back again, we click on the next wallet, click on this soul symbol. So this process is tedious. I didn't want to record it, but I just felt let me record it for someone may need it, because most of the people don't really teach this. They have groups, Discord groups and Telegram groups, where they tell people to pay for it. I don't charge people for anything. So So what you do is, okay, this one has about 474 tokens worth $741,000. So what you do is you click on this portfolio. So want to see what this person has. Um, then okay, this person has USDC. Um, then Church of the Smoking Fish. This person also have UWU. The quantity is not much. I don't think it's worth us analyzing, so let's leave that. Let's go to the next wallet. You see, that's how we keep going. That's how we keep going. So I haven't seen click on portfolio. I haven't seen anything. Sometimes you have to check hundreds, as in so many wallets, and sometimes it could be really tiring. So, but it's worth it, because if you can find one great minimum coin that does maybe 100 times, it's worth it at the end. There's nothing here. There's also nothing here. Let's click on this. There's really nothing here. We really need something. So we need something. Just uh, okay. Let's check on this portfolio. So we want to see a particular token in many of the wallets. So these ones are holding SCF mainly. So not seeing anything. So let's keep going. Let's check wallet number 7, wallet 8. You see, this thing takes time. Wallet 9, wallet 10, wallet 11. So you see, we keep checking until we're able to get something. So far there is basically nothing here. We've not seen anything so far. So this is basically how it works. I just want to show you something. I'm still looking. Okay, this one has Herald in it. So nothing. I've not seen anything that is worth looking at. So I'm still looking. I've not seen anything yet to see something. I haven't seen anything. So this process is kind of time consuming, because there's still something I want to show. Even after you've seen a token that has some good stuff, there are still some other things you would need to do. So I just want to look for, if I can't find any, I'll just pick any wallet and use any token to just demonstrate what you ought to do when you find a meme coin that is worthy of accumulation. So this wallet has a very low token balance, not worth our time. Nothing here to. I think most of these wallets have moved their funds out, so that could be an issue. So we're looking at, you click on portfolio when you come to this Solscan. So you see, so this person um has Jitsu Saw. Okay, there is. So I'm looking for something. I've not seen anything so far. So I'm looking for a low priced token. Okay, like this. Okay, you see, this has FWOG. That's FWOG, or whatever you may call it. So this is something we could take a look at. So this is something we could take a look at. So we just click on this, open in a new tab. So this is the token. So we click on the token address, then we put it here in dextools.io. So we just want to look at it. We want to look at liquidity, volume. Everything seems to be okay. Um, I think the token is fairly kind of new, or maybe, yeah, those kind of new. You see, most of these people have already bought it way before we were able to get in. You see, so they've made quite from here up to this point. They've made over 64 times. So you see, it's crazy. So like this particular token, we've just checked it. We've checked the token on this particular dex2.io. We've seen that it's gone quite far. It's gone quite far, as in it's not something we could get into anymore. I think the market cap is already far gone, so don't think it's worth getting into. But what you can do after you've seen a token that you feel smart money is accumulating, what you can do is to click on this. As we've gone to this person's portfolio, and we've seen that this has this FWOG. We will then check when the person bought it, because sometimes you could see a token on somebody's wallet that the person has already made a lot of money from, like the person bought it way back. You may make that same mistake and feel that, oh, this is a gem, let me go and buy in, and whereas you're buying at the wrong time. So what you will then do when you see a token like this FWOG, let's see when this person bought it so that we'll know if it's worth entering. But for this, you can no longer get in. Remember, we already said this have gone too far. But if you see another one, what you could do. So I just want this video to be short. I just don't want to keep looking for. So after I end this video, I can now go further, like as in spend the time, because it's a real time consuming process. So what you then do is to click on um, transfers. You click on transfers. So if you've seen something, so we want to look at when the person started getting it. So you click on this filter by money flow. You click on inflow. So so you see, this person has been buying this token. You could see 1 minute ago, 7 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago. So you see, this person just keeps accumulating this particular token. You see, the person just keeps buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. So although I still will not, maybe the person believes that it will go further, but I still don't recommend it because it's already gone way too high. So it's not something you can get into anymore. Or better still, it's possible the person has been buying it long before now. So you really want to investigate very well. So you could also filter by time. You could filter by lots of things just to be able to know exactly when the person got in and if the buy is quite recent, because you want somebody who is already accumulating at as the time you too want to accumulate. So if there's any question, please just comment in the comment section and I would answer. And if you want me to do a more extensive video, maybe just record everything as I'm searching for them, because I want this video to be short. I don't want it to be very long. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in another video.